What's up, everybody? Justin here. Where am I? DFW Airport. It's 104 degrees today, and I'm about to escape the heat. Where do you think I'm going? I'm heading to Orange County, California, John Wayne, Santa Ana Airport to escape the heat and go to work at the California office, escaping to the heat to go look at some luxury properties this weekend in Corona del Mar, Newport Beach, Encinitas, and probably Cardiff. Encinitas, Leucadia, Cardiff, areas of San Diego, North County, San Diego, which is just south of Carlsbad, a lovely area right there by the lagoon. Excited to get back to the office, back to work, and see some of my friends, some of my fellow colleagues in the industry, working with some real estate agents this weekend, looking at some fantastic multi-million-dollar luxury homes, as well as some first-time homebuyer properties as well in the $900,000 to $1.1 million range in Orange County. We've got those first-time homebuyer loans. Let's take a tour through the airport real quick. Let's go. Yeah, so brand new open house strategy with some of my agents we're trying out this weekend. I mean, it's actually tested. They're trying it out. It is so money. If you're a real estate agent watching, it's fantastic. You could say this, anything in life. It's not what you say, it's how you say it, and what you implement as far as your strategy in these open houses. I know an agent in Fresno that does a really, really good job, and he's going to flip when he sees this. So I can't wait to show him our new strategy on the open houses, and I will be filling you guys in as well. The open house is back. Everybody wants to see the property that they're buying. We didn't see a lot of open houses during COVID because they were selling so fast that agents didn't even think they needed to do them. So you might get a walkthrough, or you might be able to see something online, but you'd get to see it real quick if you made an appointment. But they weren't even messing with open houses, man. They were going so fast. But now, even though there's multiple offers, open houses are back. It is an insane lead source. So Justin Couts, DFW. Let's do a little walkthrough. I'll show you some more. If you're wondering, if you're coming into Orange County and looking at property this weekend, you're wondering where the best open houses are, obviously you can search on Realtor or Zillow, or search on Google. You'll find some pretty great options there. And if you're wondering too, you can always give me a call. I can show you where to go, who to talk to, and even get you pre-approved at the office, our Corona del Mar office. You gotta come by, get pre-approved, or bring your documents, or just come say hi. We'll be in the office this weekend. 3242 East Coast Highway, JK Mortgage in Corona del Mar. Come experience the Corona del Mar vibe. If you actually go on my website, I talk a lot about it, about some of the local restaurants. Getting Zinc Cafe in the morning. I get the Mediterranean breakfast, which is fantastic. It's mint. It's like a mint salad with sliced cucumbers, feta cheese, black olives, and a couple hard-boiled eggs. It is so good. Great coffee at Zinc, Bandera for dinner, Quiet Woman for dinner. Also, Five Crowns, love Five Crowns. The Bungalow is fantastic. And Bungalow even serves lunch. They've got a great deal there. And Gulfstream at Hillstone. You can't go wrong with the Hillstone restaurant. So again, if you're coming in from out of town, or you're even in town or in Orange County, maybe you're coming from Yorba Linda or Fullerton, I might actually, there's an open house out in Yorba Linda that I could attend also, which I'm probably gonna go out there and see my friend. You know who you are, what's up, and just excited to get back to the OC after being here for about 9 days, going back to my schedule of every other 7 to 10 at a time, not bi-coastal, but multi-state lender Justin Couts here, going back and forth between Texas and California. Licensed in multiple states though: Texas, California, Louisiana, Tennessee, Georgia, Florida, Oklahoma soon, Alabama soon. Let's go get in line and see if we see anything interesting. Just made it. Oh, it was it was at a gate that it's not usually at. So we are going to go ahead and board this baby, and we'll see what the weather's like when I touch down in Orange County. Let's go. Well, after a quick flight, it was only 2 hours and 38 minutes, I think. It's faster coming from Dallas because of the tailwind or whatever they call it. Made it to Corona Del Mar and doing a little bit of work, but excited about the open houses this weekend. And if you want to see the next video, you can check it out right here. This one is in Irvine, California. So if you like my videos, hope you do. My documentation of Dallas and Orange County, multiple states. Please like, subscribe, and Justin Couts, JK Mortgage, www.jkmortgage.com, coming at you from the beautiful Corona Del Mar with weather that's about 70 degrees. A little bit different than the 104 I was dealing with. Let's go.